Shaking, staying up late, looking for a break. That's the first thing, babe, we're going on a date. Sailing, I'm here with my honey. We don't need much money. The deals keep on coming. Garage sailing, garage sailing. We be catching looks with strangers in our blocked out gladiator, and I got a couple haters in the comments. See you later. Don't need Vegas or high fashion farm and country. Pay the neighbor. Picked up laser distance.